Morning students, welcome to the online classes of KVDI Academy. Myself Krishna sir as your computer science teachers. Today I am going to teach you both the classes of 6, 7 and 8. Computer classes 6, 7 and 8. Topic is societal impacts of IT. Today's the whole world is depend upon the computers. When someone is working in the computer, when our data and his data are lost, so slowly we think in the mind why data is lost. The data is lost only with the impact of virus, and this virus is very difficulties difficulty for all the institutions of the computer institutions. So that's why we need to be aware about this computer virus attacks. So there is some impact. So in our intellectual times of communications, so this IT is information technology is very important for today's scenario, because in all the, if your data is lost, you are going to get is replicated, because it is harmful for the creations of the, it is a harmful attacks of the virus. So that's why today we'll discuss about the social impact of virus. What are the symptoms, what are the kinds we need to install it. Therefore, first is virus. Virus, a computer virus is a program that disrupts the normal functioning of a computer. Suppose you are working in the computers and sometimes your data is totally lost, wanted boot setter virus, hang it. Why? Because it is a symptoms of virus. So that's why a virus is a program that disrupts the normal functioning of a computer. Suppose if a computer is working in a normal functions and lastly it is hang and your data is frequently lost. Why? Because it is the impact of virus. That's why we should install antivirus software in the computer for the smooth functioning, and also we need to record data recovery also in the computers. Or you should try to keep a pen drive where you do anything in the computers should install in the pen drives. Second is worm. A worm is similar to virus in design and is considered to be a subclass of virus. Means worm. It is also one kind of virus. It is very just far away from the virus, but it is similar to the computer virus. It work very lost. It handles the situations of the computers in a great way. So that's why we should need to install in the computers a antivirus software or also a firewall. So that's why we should need to install a antivirus software just like a Kaspersky, Norton antivirus. So this worm is considered to be a subclass of virus, just under the virus. Is also impact a great loss to the data, and we can able to do a computer in a smooth way. Third one is Trojan horse. It is a computer's program which appear to be useful software but actually carries out a malicious operations. Means this Trojan horse we should install install in the computer for the good purposes, but when you install in the computers, it is come in the content of virus and replicate itself and our data lost in the computers. That's why it is just like a spyware. So we should need to be aware from this impact in the society about Trojan horse. Now the next one is malicious operation. Malicious in operation, there is also a operation in the computer malware. It is a software that enter into a computer and damage it. This malware, it is also just like spam message come to the in a computer. So it is a malicious software. So we should need to be aware about it also. And also when you do any work in the computer in hardware for maximum 2 or 3 or 4 hours, and slowly and gradually we lose the data in the computer. Because why? Because it is a symptoms of malicious operation. We should need to be aware about it also. Next, come to the spyware. It is a type of malware that is installed in computer and damage it without the user's knowledge. Means spyware, it is also a social impact of the computers, and it is a type of malware that is installed in a computer and damage it without the user. Means we don't know about it, but our data is lost in it. So that's why we should need to install a antivirus software to prevent us from these situations. Last one is spam. Spam are unwanted bulk email that come from strange source. Means it is also an email. So we should be aware of when you open the inbox from in an email message or in a G email. So we should be aware to open the inbox, because in the inbox strange message come. When you open the strange message, data is totally lost and we have to pay for it. So that's why we should install an antivirus software in the computer, a Norton virus. That's why we should need to be aware about this virus, because it is a because computer and data is a lifeline of any institutions. So this is a software's installation. So this is a software impact on the society. So we should need to be aware of it. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day.